Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Kryptonite Bicycle U-Lock Bike Lock. This burly U-Lock delivers top-notch protection and versatility at a mid-tier price point. It's hard to miss this bold yellow and black lock, and that's good news for deterring wishful bike thieves. The formidable Kryptonite New York Standard lock is equipped with deadbolts on each end, so it requires 2 cuts to the shackle to free a bike from its grip. But breaking through the reinforced 16mm hardened steel shackle is no easy feat, and flying sparks from a grinder will likely draw attention before it's compromised. The shackle is prepared for crowbars, too, since the pass-through crossbar design safeguards against twisting or prying attacks. The New York Standard comes with 3 stainless steel keys, including 1 LED replaceable key fob. Cyclists can register their key number with Kryptonite's Key Safe program for quick replacement if lost. Number 2 in this best U-Lock for bike list is Via Velo Bike U-Lock. Via Velo Bike U-Lock with hexagonal PVC cover resists corrosion from water, dust and dirt to prolong the life of your lock. All-weather performance means peace of mind and better security. This 2 keys for convenience. The bike U-Lock comes with 2 keys. One of them you can take and use in daily life, and the other you can leave at home in case you lose one carelessly. Convenient high-quality mounting bracket means your lock goes with you. Our bracket is suitable for bike tube that is 20 to 42 millimeters. Lock debris cover keeps dust and dirt out of your lock. PVC protective coating material protects your bike from getting scratched. Resists corrosion from water, dust and dirt to prolong the life of your lock. This is a heavy-duty U-Lock suitable for adult-sized bicycles. The lock is intentionally heavy and made of hardened steel for additional security. For details, let's watch more. Our third choice is VVA Bike U-Lock. This bike D-Lock comes with a 0.86-inch heavy-duty shackle and has excellent heat-resistant and hydraulic shear-resistant. Equipped with a 0.10-inch silicone cover, it can prevent scratches well and provides excellent safety protection for your bicycle. The bicycle lock is built-in imported C-grade pure copper look cylinder, which is certified to resist leverage attacks and provides excellent anti-theft performance, so that your bicycle can be protected with the best safety. The combination bike lock is equipped with a 0.45-inch diameter thick steel cable with a length of 4 feet and a high-quality mounting bracket, allowing you to easily install and use it without additional tools. It is very user-friendly. The bicycle U-lock size 7.87 x 6.29 inch, which is lightweight and convenient to carry and store. It is widely used in mountain bicycles, road bicycles, and folding bicycles, providing you with high-quality bicycle safety protection. Fourth pick in this best U-lock for bike list is Bell Catalyst U-locks. While cutting the costs on locks may also mean, well, locks that are easily cut, this entry from Bell provides value without sacrificing safety. For your budget, you can grab this 12mm U-lock with a set of 2 keys. This alloy steel lock is coated in vinyl to prevent frame damage, and it even includes a mounting bracket with quick release for easy transportation. Over 3,100 users get this a 4.5 out of 5-star average rating and praise it for its convenience and value. 8-inch hardened steel shackle and crossbar for tough security. Carrying bracket with quick release guarantees ease of transportation. Small or standard size U-locks allow you to lock your frame only. U-locks with extra long shackles allow you to lock your frame and rear wheel. Cable locks are available in combination and key form. They are flexible, so they give you more options where you lock your bike, plus they are lightweight and portable. Our fifth and last choice is U-Bullock's Bike U-Lock. This bike lock is made of 0.63-inch alloy steel, which is cutting resistant, leveraging resistant, and drill resistant. The bicycle lock will provide your bike with more safety. The lock cylinder of the bike lock is made by C-grade pure copper blade, which has a precise structure to prevent technical opening. The bike U-lock comes with 2 rust-resistant copper keys that have complex serpentine slots. It will be safer. This bike lock comes with a 4 feet double looped end steel cable which is coated with PVC covering, and the whole diameter of the cable is 0.48 inch. It will provide your bike with greater locking flexibility and better protection. The size of the bike lock is 7.68 inch 4.9 inch. Comes with a mounting bracket that is suitable for all circular tripods in diameter less than equal 30 mm. With the portable size, you can put the bike U-lock into your bag or mount it on the frame of your bike. For details, let's watch more.